Hello guys. My name is Charles. And this is my first ever video. And, in this video, we're going to see about how to speed up your Windows 10 PC. The lag was caused by cache files that are stored in your primary hard drive and in your RAM. Basically we can clear it, so that we can boost the PC to some extent. So let's begin. First of all, go to Start, and then search for Run. In the Run dialog box, type S10, and then click OK. Enter the cache files of the installed apps that are stored in your hard disk. Select all, or press Ctrl+A and delete it. And again go to Start, and then search for Run, and type is %, and then click OK. And these are also cache files. Delete this. And now, again go to Start and search for Run and type as prefetch. These are prefetched cache files. Delete this. And now your PC can work a little faster than before. You can do this process anytime when you feel that your PC is getting slower. If your PC is still lagging after applying the first step, then follow the second step. Go to Start and go to Settings. Go to System and go to Power and Sleep Setting and click Additional Power Settings. As you can see, there are 3 power plans. Switch to High Performance. If the High Performance option is not available, then click Create a new plan, and then click High Performance. Click Next. Click Create. And this way you can boost your PC's performance to medium. Still your PC is lagging? Then follow the final step. Go to Start and type as Performance. Click the Appearance and Performance option. And select to Best Performance. As you can see, all the options are turned off. Then go to Advanced tab and make sure that the processor scheduling is for programs. Then go to Virtual Memory and click Change. Then click Custom Size and type in the initial and maximum memory box. Make sure the maximum memory is the highest. Then click Set and click OK and click Apply. You may require to restart your PC to apply the settings. So guys, that's all for today. Comment below if the procedure works. And subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon to get notified when I upload a new tutorial video. Leave a like. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and stay awesome. See you guys in the next video. Bye.